Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If NVIDIA GeForce Instant Replay isn't working, here's how to fix it. First, make sure the in-game overlay is enabled in the NVIDIA Experience app. Open the app, click the gear icon in the top right corner and go to the General tab. Scroll down and ensure in-game overlay is turned on. Now, check your graphics driver. Outdated drivers can cause issues with Instant Replay. Head to the Drivers tab in GeForce Experience and click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. If the issue persists, reset the Instant Replay settings. Open the in-game overlay settings, go to Settings and select Reset to restore the default configurations. If resetting doesn't help, try adjusting your instant replay settings. Go to Overlay, Settings, and Instant Replay, and ensure the feature is properly configured, including selecting the correct video quality and memory usage. Finally, if none of this works, reinstall the GeForce Experience app. Uninstall it, download the latest version from NVIDIA website, and reinstall it. Thank you for watching How to Web. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.